Harsh, like you said, earnings heavy, and that heaviness has weighed on some of the Nifty 50 gainers, and there has been a big casualty on Trent today. Before marking the index, I just want to see what Trent is doing and how that is managing to close in today's trade, because last week checked a 7.5% cut on this stock thereabouts. So that's the Trent stock that we are talking about. Lots of pressure on that stock, but moving away from that, the index on an overall level, 25,570, good recovery is something that we saw from the day's low, but we've simmered back to some of those levels in 25,570, so sub that 25,600 mark. Now remember, this is a mark that we have managed to hold on to for most part of the day, so slightly disheartening to see this slip, but nonetheless a 0.3% uptick coming in on the Nifty, similar moves coming in on the Sensex. The advanced decline ratio has now slipped towards the favor of the declines, and that is why we've seen a little bit of this pushback or pullback coming in on the Nifty right now. Nifty Bank absolutely flat. If you talk about some winners and losers in today's trading session on the back of the positive sentiment from the US government shutdown ending, you had the entire IT pack that was doing very well in today's trading session. Some very good moves coming in from Nifty IT, that was up about 1.6%. Infosys, HCL Tech, persistent emphasis. The entire IT pack, large caps, mid caps alike, have participated in this rally. If you take a look at the other winners today, Nifty Pharma, Metal, Energy, Auto and Bank have done well. On the flip side, some pressure coming in on Realty, PSU banks and FMCG stocks absolutely on the flat line. So that has been the texture of the market. Trend, of course, the biggest Nifty 50 loser. On the flip side, Infosys, TCS are some of the biggest Nifty 50 gainers. Bajaj Finance ahead of its numbers, also looking quite cheery. On the flip side, if you take a look at some of the top winners from the Nifty 500 group of stocks, HBL Engineering up 11%, Nalco, Uno Minda, Torrent Pharma, JB Chemical, Nykaa, all of them have done wonderfully well for themselves in trade. On the flip side, deep pressure on transformers and rectifiers are down 20% in lower circuit. That's spillover effect on Transrail as well. You have JM Financial, Graphite India, other than Trent, Ather, Shipping Corporation, Ola Electric and KEC International, all of them lagging behind. But well, yes, with this, it's the end of the trading day. 25,575 is where we seem to have ended, below that 25,600 mark. But I'm going to toss it back to Harsh in the studio. Harsh, over to you.